changes for my roster today, then I'll be going back to Sydney tomorrow morning. Oh, it's quite cloudy today. Usually it's sunny. But well, my last day here, so never mind. Wait, I think there's something under my door. A pattern change. So, oh my god, I'm going to London. This is the way that the company communicate with us. Anytime there's something changed in our pattern, the company will send a notice to the hotel, and the hotel will print out the notice and slide under our door. And it's become my habit of checking the door every day, every morning now. I'm so excited right now because we don't normally get London trip, and this is my first time going to Europe. Alright, so this is my first time operating on the Boeing 787 Dreamliner, and I should now study specific aircraft type now for 787. It is a requirement that we have to do the test every day to be able to leave our room. And today is my friend's birthday, so I'm gonna go down and meet her soon. Happy birthday! Plastic one or the Yay, no one's here. It's beautiful outside. What a shame that we can't leave the hotel to go out. I'm quite hungry now, so let's order some food. Ta-da! Look nice. can stay closer to London. Bye, see ya.